Alrighty, the setup is just about complete. 24 gigs and the new little control box. Anderson distribution. As you can see, power supply is disconnected and we are on batteries alone. Totally portable. Alright. Tripod. 3, 10, 5. Control box. Tri-band feed. Now I am using a Trimble Thunderbolt, but I have another 12 volt one which I use out in the field, but for testing that'll do. Alright, we will okay, so no bands. 3. Over there is the signal source, courtesy of Peter, Quebec, Italy. Right, so that's 3. Whoop. 5. Let's see if we can work out which one's 5 gig. Trying to read this upside down. There it is. Right. Five, and we'll go to 10. Now I've got to remember which one's 10. Oh, there it is, number 1. There we go. Sounds a bit average, but it's working. And 24. This will be interesting. Okay, 24 is number 6. Okay. See if we can get something happening. Number 6. Number 6. I think we're off frequency a bit. Let us leave that there and go and test, see if I can find it. Right, there it is. Just have to go searching for it. And we'll test the elevation. There we go. All bands working. Hopefully ready for the next field day. All the good numbers.